Hi everyone! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa aming channel. Kami po ang La Familia Stepanov, Russian at Filipino family na naninirahan dito sa Negros Oriental. Sa vlog na ito ay ibabahagi namin ang mga naganap sa aming buhay dito sa probinsya bago magbagong taon. At ibabahagi din namin ang resulta sa second application namin ng visa at ang pag-celebrate namin ng bagong taon at ang mga plano namin sa bagong taon. Sana po ay mag-enjoy kayo sa panunood. What a beautiful day. Ang aliwalas dito. Good, Buko.
That's what I need.
Yeah, you have to drink that. You should drink that every day. Especially now that you're sick with fever. Hey there, Baka. Wow, may appetite na si Papa Jim. You already have appetite? Coming back? Good, that's a good sign. Eat banana. Grabe, ang laki ng saging dala ni Ate Abloy. Bigay ng hadiang tiyahin. Pinabigay sa amin. Magandang hapon, everyone. Punta natin si Baby Mia sa kubo. Yan, mag-camping yung mga pinsan ko dito. Tito ko. Ganda dito. Ganda ng view. Parang pang-camping talaga. Mia, what are you eating? Ala! Nahanas na. May ginawa pala si Papa dito na hiwalay na dirty kitchen. Ayan. Gamit ang aming bamboo. Grabe yung bamboo namin. Ang tibay. Hanggang ngayon hindi pa nasira. At yan, si Dimitri, nakalabas na siya ng bahay, lakad-lakad siya dito. Buti naman at nakapaglakad-lakad na siya dito. Kasi nung mga nakarang araw, nasa bahay lang talaga siya. Loob ng bahay lang siya palagi. Guard! Bodyguard! Say bye-bye, Auntie Abloy! Bye-bye! Wow! Kalabasa ni Mia.
Lababo!
Mia. Mia.
Ayan na ron.
Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. 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 Hi.
Lababo! 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 Lababo!
Yeah, hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, blow a kiss. Mwah. Mwah.
Game Lola, be. Game Lola. Game Lola, dali na!
What are you cooking? Wow, rice.
Fish is that.
Wow, tinola. Ang ganda ng view dyan. Tinola. Wow, Mia eating already dinner. Mia.
Kadim na.
This is for Dimitri.
Daghan mo na.
Okay.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Hi! Magandang umaga, everyone. Punta tayo sa kubo. Kakagising lang namin. Si Mama may ipapainom daw kay Dimitri na dahon na tea na galing dahon pang ubo. Dance! Dance! Sakay si baby ng bike ni kuya niya. Dance! Disco na naman si baby Mia. Dance! Si emergency. Here. for cough. You drink it with water. Smell it. Does it taste like tea? Or just water with
A little bit like green tea. But,
like green tea?
but like maybe water not too hot. It's
Mama said no need to hot. Wow, pretty! Pretty girl. Cooking egg for Dimitri. Egg omelette. Yuri likes eating Greek yogurt with honey and banana now. Maayos-ayos na ang pakiramdam ni Dimitri ngayong araw, kaya pupunta kami sa Dumaguete City. Bababa kami para mag-grocery para sa New Year. Si Mia nandito sa bayan natutulog. Dadalhin namin siya. Oh, kawawang girl, baby girl, natulog. Tulog pa siya, nag-morning nap. Princess, let's go! Mia! Wake up na ang baby! Go? Shoes na. Nanudlot siya siyang shoes. Shoes na, go! Di ka, Jud, oy. Di ka, Jud, basta laag, Mia. Oy, shoes dayon.
Favorite ra ba na yung shoes niya? Ganahan na siya mag sapatos, mag sandal.
Kay ba man siya nga dalon siya
Upan man
basta
siya.
mag-shoes. Abdi ka dyan niya ang shoes. Kuyog ko na siya.
Sapatos sa niya. Naka-Converse man. Mga
Let's go, let's go. Mia, let's go. Ay,
bilin na
bilin.
siya,
Bilin lang ka kay wala kay medyas.
Indonesia.
Wow, pretty, pretty. Magkuyog na dyan ang baby. Pink. All pink. Baby girl.
Kaya pong hairband pink.
Baby girl. May mga kwaknit dire. We're here at Robinson. Hindi na ako nakapag-video sa pag-grocery namin kanina, pero nakapamili na kami ng mga panghanda namin for New Year. At dito nga kami sa isang cafe sa Robinson. Magla-lunch lang kami. And may na-meet pala kami ng mga subscriber dito sa Robinsons. Hello po! Shout out po sa inyo. Salamat sa pag-greet sa amin. Hola! Hi everyone! Magandang araw. Another day before the New Year. Bababa kami ni Dimitri. Punta kami ng Dumaguete City para magpamasahe. Si Dimitri, kaunti na lang yung upo niya. Malapit na siya talagang gumaling. Wala na siyang lagnat. Pero may upo pa na kaunti. Magpapamassage kami para tuluyan na siyang sana gumaling talaga siya before New Year. It's, ano ngayon, December 29? Yeah, it's 29 today. Super traffic na sa Dumaguete. Daming nag-shopping for New Year. Mag-lunch muna kami sa may Sans Rival dito sa Dumaguete. Bago kami magpamassage kasi gutom na. Super gutom na, mag-alas 12. I think it's 12 plus already.
eat before massage.
Eat before massage. Nice idea. Hindi na kaya kung after massage pa. Gutom na. Bibili din ako ng cake mamaya. Pagpapabalik for New Year. Grabe, ang daming tao doon sa San Rival. Hahanap na lang kami ng ibang makakainan dito. And sa ibang cake store na lang ako bibili ng cake kasi grabe ang daming tao din doon nakalinya para bumili ng cake. Famous ang San Rival sa mga desserts, cake, kaya ang daming tao. Yummy! Yummy! It's Mama and Papa's time muna ngayon. Dito kami magpapamassage sa Gold Leaf Dumaguete. Signature massage ang kinuha namin. Combination ng Shiatsu, Thai at Swedish. Kailangan talaga namin to ni Dimitri, lalo na kay Dimitri na after niya magkalagnat.
A few moments later.
So all time.
Here? No. No, not closer. So how's the massage?
Yeah.
10 over 10 or what?
Okay.
For me, 10 over 10.
Everything.
Good massage.
You have another. Massage.
Pick up muna si Dimitri ng coffee after massage. Dumaguete is very traffic. 28. At dahil nga may ipapatrabaho kaming electrical connection after New Year, naisipan namin na bumili na ng mga materialis dito sa Dumaguete. Medyo natagalan nga kami dito kasi ang daming bumili kanina. Para natuloy kami nag-date ni Dimitri dito sa hardware sa sobrang tagal. Mga more than 2 hours din kami naghintay. I'm sleeping already. It's already New Year's Eve. Naabutan na talaga kami ng gabi. Bili na lang kami ng choose to go. Para dinner, para hindi na ako magluto. We're home! Where is Kuya and baby?
There's TV.
We're home! Yay! Yay! Yeah, na-clap. Baby is clapping and crying. What are you eating, Basis? Lugaw. Lugaw? Lugaw with chicken? Ay, kaya pala, parang hindi kami napansin ni Yuri kasi naglalaro sila. Baby sis, did you even miss Mama? Seems like you didn't miss Mama at all. She even just pointing at the apple right away, didn't care about me. She just wants the apple we bought for her. Wow, yummy an apple, babe. Sit down, tabi. Yuri, you're so dirty. Oi, what did you do here?
What did you do, Nikki? I just eat it. I eat it.
Ah, you eat. What did you eat?
I eat sausage and also rice.
Wow, that's good. What
And,
happened?
and also I eat
You have
rice
muta
and
lagi.
milk.
You have muta lagi in your eyes. You sick? Papa, I think he is sick.
No, my eye does hurt.
His eyes hurt and he has some
Bumped on me.
some yellow discharge.
Mama, something bumped on me.
No, it's some yellow discharge here. I think he's gonna be sick. Are you happy, Kuya?
Yes.
With your
Very
surprise?
happy.
Very happy. Did you
Yeah.
say thank you, Papa?
I did.
You did?
I don't want watermelon.
Lo,
I
but
don't want watermelon anymore, but because I already eat it.
but you said it's your favorite fruit.
But my favorite fruit is only fruit. Fruit watermelon.
Yeah, you have watermelon fruit there. I bought that for you.
This looks like a dream for underground.
Mia! Ayan, it's December 30 sa araw na ito. Since walang trabaho, ay dinala ko ang aking family dito sa isang resort sa kalapit barangay sa amin. Hindi pa nakapunta ang family ko dito, first time nila. Dito sa sa Dons Magna Mountain Resort. And then ayan, nag-enjoy ang mga bata, sila Yuri, anak ni Lenlen, at pamangkin ko at saka si baby Mia, of course, enjoy na enjoy. Sila din papa at mama at kapatid ko. Gusto din namin mag-swimming talaga para ma-exercise kaming dalawa ni Dimitri at makakain ng marami sa New Year. 50 pesos lang ang entrance dito and ang cottage naman depende sa klase. Maganda din dito. Try nyo dito guys.
Parang worth it.
Go, Papa, go!
Gamot ko na yung
Okay na? Okay, let's go home. Happy na ang mga bata nakapag-swimming. We're home. Hi. Oh my gosh, our visa. Nandito na ang aming visa. Cool ba, cool ba? I'm so nervous right now. My heart is beating fast. Book, book, book. Nandito na ang visa namin, guys. I mean, aming passport pala, visa. Nandito na yung mga passport namin. Ano ngayon? December 30. Oh my God! I hope it's approved. Oh, but if it's not approved, it's okay, guys. We'll continue. We'll apply maybe next year. Oh my gosh!
What is that?
It's our passports.
Passport
We will find out if our visa is approved or not.
approved.
You think it's approved? You really think it's approved? Oh my gosh. I'm so nervous. Sabi ko kay Dimitri kanina, wag na natin muna i-open. Mamaya na after New Year na. Mag-enjoy muna tayo sa New Year. Baka kasi pag na-denied, maging sad na naman siya. You think it's approved, Kuya, or not?
Yeah.
Yes? We'll see, we'll see. It's here. Thank you, Kuya! Happy New Year! Okay, sa kita. Ang init. It's some paper again?
Will open.
Oh my gosh. If it's some paper again like last time, then it's denied. Oh, it's okay. It's really not for us this year yet. You will open, come on. Ayun, nandito na. Oh my gosh. Mga passport namin. Sabi ni Dimitri, parang may mahabang papel daw. So kung may papel, denied niya. Oh, no. Ay. Okay lang, Papa. Denied or not, let's celebrate New Year happily. We should be thankful, grateful for everything. Dimitri, I'm shaking now. My heart is pounding.
Yeah, I cannot breathe.
You cannot
Nie mogę
breathe?
dyszeć.
It's different feeling because we already got denied at first and
When it was, where it was paper was found, inside or outside?
inside,
Outside.
inside here,
No.
inside.
Yeah.
Oh my god, no, denied. It's really denied.
But
There's
I don't know. No. There's some conversations here.
maybe,
You don't know what they're preparing.
maybe we'll try to just write our digital normal visa. Same, the same. You have not provided proof of sufficient means of subsistence for the duration of the intended stay. But we even have more. Why?
I don't know.
Maybe it's really just the reason, Papa. It's the sufficient means. It's about money, but why? We have money. You even put more there. Yeah, but this time only two reasons, but before was like 3 reasons, but now only 2 reasons, denied for 2 reasons. Kuya, our visa is denied. Papa is sad now. Now he will not enjoy New Year. I told you open it after New Year.
No, I don't know what to do after New until New Year. Walking, sinking.
Without negative. so sad. And wait, you're even sweating. It's better not to get sick. Because you're stressing too much with this, you were under stress with this, and that's why you get sick 2 times already. Just take care of your health. More important. Why we have this anyway? There's a lot of time to reapply. We have a safe home here.
Is that Mikey's voice?
Hello, one massage. I'm sad because you're so sad also. It's like, what we did wrong? What is wrong with our document? So you think it's because our source of income is not reliable? That's why it's got denied? Because
We
we
don't have like the most easy who got visa. I think it's like people, even they have maybe 5 times less money, 5 times less salary, but
more
their life connected to this job. It's
like
they
they have
go
a
to
job
home
like office,
and office. It's,
but ours is online, so maybe
but
that's
we're
why.
living in Vietnam 1.5 years, go to
Yeah.
Russia for 8 months, work online.
Yeah, but maybe that give us a visa because
Like
Of-
they don't believe that
they don't believe that we will return here.
they go travel.
Yeah, they really they really think we'll not come back, which is
How
will
they,
not come back,
how they know?
which is really true. That's our plan, but we will not stay there illegally anyway. We will apply for a visa, another visa, digital nomad visa,
And also
and it's
because
not illegal, right?
yeah, and
Because we get a legal visa to enter and then we enter there. But all people doing that, it's not just we will stay there illegally, but of course they will maybe.
and also because of denial already.
Yeah,
Not
and
practical.
we also got denied that with our first application.
Like we're looking just for how to enter Schengen zone.
Yeah, it's a red flag already. They would think we will not really stay there for vacation, which is true. But anyway, why? We have enough money. We will not stay there illegally because we will apply for another kind of... Denied! No, nagluya.
Sure ba?
Lagi?
Not?
It's denied. No. Sabi ng kapatid ko, nag-ano daw siya, na naginip siya kagabi na approve yung visa namin. Denied! Dili approve. Hindi approve. Not sufficient means of funds. Pero naglibog mi kay sobra pagali ang kwarta dito gipakita. Tungod dagay kay
Kasi mo
dili tungod dagay kay kuan YouTube from YouTube among kwarta. I don't know, maybe dahil galing YouTube ang money namin, hindi siya reliable. I don't know, and we're working just, we don't have really... Si Dimitri naman kasi hindi niya pinakita yung online business niya para hindi komplikado ba. Kasi yung online business niya sa Russia kasi gusto namin ipakita yung money lang na nasa Philippines. Yung sa account namin sa BPI at sa BDO. Galing sa YouTube. Sa YouTube lahat yun. Pero may money naman siya, may talagang business siya sa Russia. Yung pag-online course na binibenta niya, nagtuturo siyang online course. Yun yung mas malaki sana. Pero hindi na niya pinakita yun para hindi maging complicated na iba-iba yung source of income namin. Maiwasan sana. Kaso, ganun pa rin. Ewan ko anong gagawin namin. We'll try maybe directly digital nomad visa. Maybe it's better like that than to apply for a tourist visa. At least if we get denied, we don't have to go there. Because what if they approve our tourist visa and then we apply for digital nomad visa when we arrive? So it's gonna be worse if we got denied for digital nomad and we're already there. Yeah, that's ganun talaga ang buhay niya. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Try again na lang. Yeah, mo na giingon in God's perfect time. Now is not the perfect time yet.
Perfect time. Niya no? Di sa ko no?
Di sa palakon niya kay mingawan ang lula. And maybe also one reason that hindi sila nag-red flag siguro kami guys kasi yung sa passport namin meron kaming overstay sa Vietnam, 'di ba? Pero ano naman kasi yun, nag-overstay kami dahil sa pandemic, hindi kami makauwi sa mga bansa namin dahil doon close ang borders. Pero I don't know. At saka sa Russia din, nag-overstay din ako sa Russia nga kahit dahil pandemic yun 2021. Siguro one reason din yun na tingnan nila ba, baka nakita nila dun. For sure, nakita nila yun sa passport ko. And kaming dalawa nag-overstay sa Vietnam. Pero hindi naman kasalanan kasi namin nag-overstay kami sa Vietnam noon. And then kumuha din naman kami ng clearance, na merong exit clearance kami noon sa Vietnam nung nag-overstay kami. Pinayagan kasi mag-overstay kami noon dahil pandemic and hindi kami makauwi. Ako din, pinayagan ako ng time na yun na mag-overstay sa Russia dahil sa pandemic. Pero but I think ano din yun, and then yung source of income nga namin para siguro sa kanila yung YouTube money not reliable. Even if mas malaki yung pinakita naming money, siguro para sa kanila hindi reliable. Look, your mama also don't like you to go there.
Yeah.
But my family also don't want us to leave. Maybe that's why their prayers is more strong than ours. Kasi yung family ko ayaw din na pumunta kami doon. Tapos yung mama din ni Dimitri, medyo against na pumunta kami doon. Their prayer is stronger than ours. Magkagay na lang tayo, puslanan. Puslanan, magpupugta. Magtagay na lang tayo. Nadina yung isang basis, magtagay na lang tayo. Nag-evil eye na ay, nagampo na siya, di mo malakaw.
Ako'y pangarap ng lako mo, gagmay pag mga bata.
Mas mayo nung gagmay pa kay para maka-adjust sila dayon. Lipay kay di mabiyaan.
Hindi pa din mabiyaan na eh.
Wow, yummy, yummy. Baby Mia likes eating banana. Tulog na lang tayo. Gising na lang tayo pag 2026 na. So yun po talaga, nakakasad. Hindi naman ako masyadong nalungkot kasi parang expected na rin naman namin to na hindi talaga 100% ma-approve siya. And yun nga, sinabi ko sa inyo sa last vlog na parang madi-deny siya. So, deny talaga siya. Wala na tayong magagawa. Hindi talaga para sa atin. Nalungkot lang ako kasi nalungkot si Dimitri din. Pero, yun nga ang sinasabi, in God's perfect time. Hindi pa ang perfect time ngayon. Hi! Lang guys, at least alam na namin na deny talaga. Wala na kaming hihintayin pa. Makakapag-move forward na, makapag-celebrate na kami ng New Year na walang iniisip. Alam na namin ang resulta. And yeah, siguro next time na lang, next year na lang din. Next time, try tayong mag-apply ulit ng ibang visa. We need to prepare more. We need to maybe add our funds. More money, more chance. And yeah, more prepared. Medyo nakakalungkot pero wala tayong magagawa dun. Ganun talaga eh. Hindi talaga approve. mag-happy-happy na lang tayo bukas, January 31 na, mag-New Year. Still thankful pa rin kahit hindi ito binigay sa atin ng Panginoon, kahit hindi ito binigay sa amin ng Panginoon, still thankful pa rin naman kami. Kasi ang dami namin mga na-receive na blessing sa buhay namin. Mga bata, wala ng sakit. Si Dimitri, hindi lumala yung sakit niya, na gumaling na siya, and blessed pa rin kami kasi meron kaming source of income, meron kaming bahay, meron kaming lupa. Hindi naman talaga na yung walang natira sa amin kahit na fail kami dito. Meron pa rin naman kaming bahay at lupa dito. Meron kaming na-invest na. Try na lang next time, mga bata pa rin naman kami. So marami pa kaming chance na mag-try ulit at may chance pa na ma-approve. Mga bata pa din ang aming mga anak. Mamaya darating yung relatives ko, mag-party-party kami mamaya dyan. Happy-happy na lang kami. Kahit medyo nakakalungkot. Wine glass. We don't have wine glass. Let's celebrate New Year first. Just Mama and Papa. It's our adult celebration. Because tomorrow we're gonna be busy. Cheers! To more success in 2026. Good health for our family, our kids. Will grow, be more pretty, handsome, smart, kind, and healthy, and also for you and me. That we will not have big fights, and if we have big fights, we will always choose to stay and forgive each other. Oh, so good. I like this.
Starting.
Where have you been, boy? Ayaw, kay ma-eat siya, Ana. She wants to eat cheese. Ay. No. Put her down. Quiet time is over. The kids arrive.
This is mine.
Meanwhile,
Magandang hapon, everyone. Ayan, si Baby Mia, sayaw na naman siya dito. Mahilig na talaga magsayaw-sayaw to si Baby Mia. At nandito na pala ang aking tita at tito at mga cousin ko. Mag-advance banding na kami ngayong araw dahil hindi sila makakapunta dito sa amin sa New Year. Gusto nila mag-New Year sa bahay lang nila. Mag-advance banding na kami ngayong araw na to. Dito din sila matutulog at magka-camping sila mamaya. First time nila mag-camping dito. First time nila maranasan ang ginaw dito sa bukid mamaya. At ayan, nag-ihaw lang kami para sa aming hapunan. And after namin maghapunan ay nag-karaoke, nagkwentuhan. Saya-saya kasi nakakapag-banding kami.
Left me without anything to say.
Wala kaya silang biyan. Saya, Mia!
Moment, I never thought that I'd get hit with this love again.
Ilang camping. Good night. Ayan, kinabukasan nga ay nag-hot spring naman kami malapit dito sa amin. Last banding namin sa year 2025. Maglalakad pa kami pababa sa hot spring. Yan si Yuri, sinamat talaga niya ang kanyang best friend. Sabi niya, Mama, can I bring my best friend? Yan, anak ni Lenlen, kuya niya. Kuya Alvin. Namin si Dimitri, kapatid ko, tita, tito, mama, papa, pamangkin, and mga cousin. Lamig ang hangin dito. Saan na? Yuri, ayaw sigig syagit, Yuri, kinapagaw na. Ayan o, may baon pa kami. Siomay, lumpia, mga gabi, pang snack. Kahapon, nag-swimming kami sa swimming pool. Pawala sa mga fat sa tiyan. Kasi kakain kami ng marami ngayong gabi. For New Year. And then ngayon naman, mag-hot spring. Hiking. Exercise na to before kami kumain ng mga matataba mamaya. Kasi maggagawa kami ulit ng lechon belly. We will try to perfect our, at least close to perfect our lechon belly this time. Kasi yung tita ko at saka yung family niya, uuwi sila mamaya sa bahay nila mag New Year. So kami lang talaga mama tapos mamaya. And yung kapatid kong isa, darating pala. Uli namin siya mamaya sa port ng Dumaguete. Ang ganda dito. Wow. Ganda ang green. Wow! Ayan, we arrived sa hot spring. Okay, ligo na. Nalubog man lagi. Ha? Yan, may cave. Hot spring cave. Grabe, ang init na dito. Pwede ka magstay dito ng mga ilang minutes lang para pang steam. Grabe, ang init. Ito, malamig. Ito, mainit. Kasi may waterfalls dyan sa taas. So dito pwede mag-mix ka ng mainit at malamig na tubig para mabalance yung temperature niya. Ang mga bata nandun sa malamig. Wow! Nice! Kuyas! Is it cold? Kuya, is it cold? Saya. Ang saya-saya ng mga bata. No, Yuri, no. I bring my phone. Wow! Nice! Massage. Pwede kang pa-massage sa likod.
Ay, kaligo ko dati! Kaligo dito! Dito, kaligo dito!
It's really hot.
Patubig ko din ka.
Mauna na kaming umuwi sa kanila kasi kukunin pa namin yung kapatid ko sa Dumaguete. Papa, nandun na sa taas. Wow! Wow, ulahin na siya. Bilin, oy.
No.
Welcome to Dumaguete. Mop. Artista biya ka. Just arrived home from picking up my sister sa Dumaguete. Ayun, nagdala siya ng kalamay from Bohol. Bigay ko na lang sa kapitbahay namin kasi hindi naman lang masyado din naman kumakain dito ng mga matatamis. Alright, let's start cooking na. Kasi alas 2:30 na. So, ang lulutuin ko for New Year. Luluto ako nilagang beef again. But beef ribs this time. Penny pasta. Creamy penny pasta. Lagyan ko ng chicken thigh and then cream yung sauce niya. I think that's all. Mag-lechon belly lang kami. Meron na kaming cake. Nakabili na ako nung 29. Ayan na ang lechon belly. Na-ready ko na siya. Lulutuin na lang siya ni Papa mamaya. This is our secret, our family secret.
Шоколада.
Not secret anymore! Ayun ang baby girl. So poor. Oh, lechon. Yan ang lechon belly. Wow! Magbuko salad sila. Wow! Ayan na ang lechon belly. Crispy, oh! Crispy! Humot, oh! Ang bango ng lechon belly namin. At ayan na po, ito na ang aming handa sa New Year. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord sa lahat ng blessings and despite sa failure namin at sa mga pangarap na hindi natupad this year, malaki pa din ang pasasalamat ko sa Panginoon kasi hindi niya kami pinabayaan and mas marami pa din ang mga success, mga blessings na natanggap namin this year. And kahit nagkasakit kami, gumaling pa din, lalo na ang mga bata. At hindi kami naghirap financially. Kakain ng maayos, meron kaming bahay at lupa. At sama-sama ang aming pamilya, lalo na ngayong bagong taon. Sama-sama kami nag-celebrate. At maayos ang aming relasyon.
Yes, for you.
Salty? I think it's kinda salty. Is it salty? Ask God. Salty? Too much or is okay? I'm not sure. Yummy? Bigay kami sa kapitbahay. Wala, ni mata mo si Mia. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Kuya! Wala na yung fireworks! Kuya, Li! Happy New Year, Li! Brown out? Wala, kuya! Super duper. Lami ka! Happy New Year! Ay, ikaw, grapes! I love sa miso! Eating grapes under.
Pag last New Year,
Happy
si
New
Baby pa kayo.
Year! Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year!
Aras, bisis ba ito sa man mo? Pa'y pagmata ka na ako, murag ng lukso man taan eh. Si kuya. Oh, poor kuya. Dali, kuya. Dali, kuya.
Pag last New Year, baby pa kayo si Pisces.
Lah! Ito, last New Year baby kay... Last New Year baby pa si baby sis. Natulog. Karon baby ragyapon pero big baby already. Still a baby but already a big baby. But last New Year, she was a small baby. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Wow! Wow! Baby sis! Day 1 sa init. Init, day 1.
Rice din ba? Ayun na pala eh.
Breakfast.
Mainit pa. Kumain ka.
January 1, 2026. First day of the year. Naglaro silang dalawa. Hey everyone, good morning. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. We want to say thank you for being with us in the last years, especially 2025. And We have now 70,000 plus subscribers in our Tagalog channel. Thank you so much everyone for supporting our channel and for supporting our vlog, our family. Thank you. We are very grateful to all of you guys. And Happy New Year. Sana na-enjoy nyo ang inyong New Year kasama ang inyong family. And good health, more blessings, more goals to achieve this year. Good health for all of us, for the children, for Yuri, especially Yuri. Yuri is kind of sick right now actually. He's having some, what's this disease in the eyes? It's called, but it's, I don't know. Sa Bisaya, ano siya? Piskat. Awan ko ano sa Tagalog yan. Si Mia nandun sa kubo. Natulog siya doon kila mama. Ayun, nandun si Mia sa labas. Nag-party-party sila doon, karaoke. Yeah, so maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa pag-subscribe sa aming channel, pag-suporta sa aming pamilya, sa aming mga vlog, sa panunood, comments, lahat-lahat. And I pray that all your goals and wishes sa 2026 ay ma-achieve nyo, magkatotoo. And especially good health for everyone. And sana lahat ng mga pangarap niyo this 2026 this year ay matupad. And sana sa amin din, of course, mga pangarap namin sa 2026. So, I guess, continue natin ang vlog natin dito sa Philippines, sa bukid, dito sa aming bahay. Kasi hindi naman na-approve yung visa namin, pero okay lang kasi marami pa kaming chance na mag-apply ulit. May chance pa naman kami, mga bata pa kami. Hindi pa naman kami magre-retire dito. And there's still a lot of hope, a lot of chance to try again. And mag-succeed in the next namin na pag-try. Sana, pag-pray natin yan, at paghandaan ng mas mabuti, mag-ipon lang kami ng pera para ma-achieve namin yung goal na yun na lumipat sa ibang mag-try na tumira sa ibang bansa. Naglaro sila dito. Pero ako, happy ako kasi si Dimitri hindi na siya sad. At okay na, wala nang sakit. Si Yuri medyo may pula yung mata niya. Pero okay na, hindi naman worse. Kaunti lang. I think gagaling na siya. Today siguro magaling na siya kasi parang nawala na. Kahapon kasi nung isang araw may pula-pula sa kanyang mata. So that's it everyone. Thank you. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat talaga. And we're very thankful talaga sa lahat ng aming mga subscribers na nag-subscribe sa aming channel. Kung wala kayo, wala din ang aming channel. Walang La Pamilya Estepanov. So maraming salamat po.